Yeah, hi. This is the Samsung NQ50K3130BS built-in soda microwave. The 50-liter capacity is huge. As it hasn't got a spinning plate, you can put any shape and size plate you want as long as it fits. And not worrying about it hitting the sides and the food not being evenly cooked. To set the time, you just need to hold this clock button and then turn the dial. The light can be turned on and off with this sensor. And the dials go in and out, so you can put them away when you aren't using it. I did have some problems with this microwave at the beginning, where it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, so every time I turned the dial, it was picking different programs and it wasn't doing what it wanted to, and the sensors didn't work. And then it started working once you unplugged it and plugged it back in. The interior is ceramic enamel, which means it's easy to clean, it's scratch resistant, and plus is antibacterial. It's a stainless steel exterior, which is very easy to clean. One of the weirdest things is the start and the stop switch. The start looks like the exclamation point, and the stop is an upside down triangle. I don't know why they couldn't just use different icons. A big annoying thing is you can't leave it on the microwave option and then keep pressing 30 seconds whenever you want to use it. You have to turn it off and on again. Once you learn how to use it, this is probably one of the best microwaves. It's very easy to use, and the interior makes it incredibly practical. Yeah, bye.